It's really inspirational, even if you don't like science.
Idea Camp is a summer STEM-focused program that allows students to invent, build, experiment, open-ended projects that allow them to really extend what they're learning in the classroom.
Kids are signing up for something that they really want to do, so their interest is great. That's, I think, the best part about it. And I think it's great to see the kids in that different environment versus the classroom.
It helps to get your creativity flowing and your imagination to soar.